Now I am going to show you how to do an Excel upload using this system. Sometimes you want to do some Excel uploads because you get your orders through your e-commerce website. You can directly download that e-commerce orders through your e-commerce website as a Excel format. So easily you can copy and paste those data to this template and directly upload to this system. Let's see how we can do that in this system. First, you should download the Excel format in this here. Right. After you downloading it, you can see there are small columns. You can add this number. First column is Waybill number. It's as example, you can put your Waybill number here, and this is your order number. Actually, that is order number generated from the e-commerce platform. Example like this. Then your customer name. And the customer phone number and the address of the customer. The email of the customer. And the COD value you should charge from the customer. 6,000. Right. This is the city of the. When you are selecting the city, you have to put the goal here. Right. You can just type. And the weight and the description. What is the description of that product? And remarks. These fields are optional as the single order. You can keep it away or you can just fill it out. I will show another template. I have been uploading the orders from the Excel sheet like this. Here you can see there are so much of orders we can put into this Excel sheet as the same as I showed in the previous sheet. Waybill number, order number, customer name, customer phone, address, customer email, COD amount, destination city, weight, description and remark. You don't want to worry about the destination city. When you are typing this city, you don't want to worry about the spellings, because if any mistaken is there, system will not taken the correct city. I will show the next step, so you will easily change that correct email, correct city after uploading this sheet. Let's upload the sheet now. Here you can browse the Excel sheet in here like this, or you can just drag and drop here as well. It's uploading. It will take few seconds to upload all the orders from the system, and next you will see all the records as a preview of that Excel sheet here. Yes, this is the preview of that Excel sheet. You can see all the necessary data appearing here. It was from the Excel sheet. Now you want to do is selecting the correct business profile. You have to select the origin city. right? Then you can see these are editable fields. If you anything mistaken from the Excel sheet, you can directly edit from here, especially the destination city. Now you can see all the destination city are selected in this drop down menus. In this drop down menu, there are all kind of cities in Sri Lanka. Let's say you have misspelled the Borlascamo city, right? So that that city will not taken this by this drop down. This drop down will remaining empty. In this scenario, you have to just select the correct city from this drop down and continue. Like that, you can uh, add all the data in here and submit the form finally.